The Officers Academy NDA integrated course for Army, Navy and Air Force. This is a 150 video lectures program. Let us see the course features. Course will include 150 video lectures. So this will cover the syllabus of written examination, all topics of general ability, English and maths, 5000 plus watch hours, SSB interview training. So all the tasks in screening test 1 as well as screening test 2 like PPDT, word association test, thematic appreciation test, etc. shall be covered. Maths lectures and workshop. As we know that maths is a qualifying paper plus an important subject. So all the tricks and shortcuts of the maths topics shall be provided. E-books and e-notes. The standard reference book, NCERT books as well as classes notes will be provided to you. Online test series. So this will have a topical test, sectional test on the entire subject and the NDA mocks similar to the examination. Live lectures provided by the top educators of India as well as retired defense officers. Exam preparation strategy. So how exactly you are supposed to do self-study. A complete planner will be provided to you so that you finish your preparation in a target-bound and time-bound manner. A regular online interaction with our defense experts so that you can solve your doubts and queries on a very frequent basis. This will be provided via video conferencing mode. Now, why you should join our online learning program? Let us see a few advantages of online learning. First being, study at your own time convenience. Now this is very helpful for those who are working professionals or who have rotational shifts. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can watch one lecture in the morning and one lecture in the evening. Now general time duration of any lecture is of 45 to 50 minutes. सेकेंड इज स्टडी एट योर ओन पेस. तो अगर आपको कोई कंसेप्ट नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो आप वही लेक्चर दोबारा रिवाइंड कर सकते हो. सेकेंड, देर इज नो रेस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑन द नंबर ऑफ व्यूज. तो आप जितने बार चाहे उतने बार वो लेक्चर प्ले कर सकते हो. थर्ड इज सेव योर ट्रैवलिंग टाइम. नाउ जनरली क्लासेस के लिए ट्रैवल करने में जो टाइम लगने वाला है ये आपका टाइम बच जाएगा. सो इफ यू आर अ वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल, अगर जब भी हम कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हैं, नाउ टाइम इज द मोस्ट प्रीशियस रिसोर्स दैट वी हैव. सो एवरीबडी वांट्स टू सेव टाइम. तो इसमें आपका ट्रैवलिंग टाइम बच जाता है. फोर्थ इज कंफर्टेबल स्टडी लोकेशन. सो आफ्टर योर वर्किंग आवर्स या आप आपके घर पे बैठ के पढ़ाई कर सकते हो. वेन एवर यू आर ट्रैवलिंग फॉर योर ऑफिस और फॉर एनी अदर रीजन, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो वॉच द लेक्चर्स दैट टाइम. ये लेक्चर्स ऑफलाइन मोड में भी अवेलेबल है. सो यू कैन जस्ट डाउनलोड देम एंड वॉच देम इन द ऑफलाइन मोड एज वेल. तो आपका ट्रैवलिंग टाइम भी प्रोडक्टिवली यूज हो जाएगा. Next is lower cost of studying. Now what happens generally for the service provider, those who are providing the course, they get a benefit of economics of scale. So online coaching की जो fees होती है that is relatively less as compared to offline coaching. Last is it is the only coaching available in emergency situations. तो जैसे अभी हमने देख लिया था during the coronavirus and the COVID-19, offline coaching has to be shut down because of the lockdown announced by the government. So in such situations, online learning program active होता है. So these are a few advantages of our online learning program. The Officers Academy e-learning platform. You can get benefited from various online correspondence courses available on it. Download our app on your mobile phone. It is freely available on Google Play Store as well as Apple App Store. Please look for this icon before downloading. We have sent you the app download link. Also, it is mentioned in the description section given below.